Freshworks.com Management Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get business management software wrong. They think CRM, support, and project tools require separate platforms. The surprising truth about Freshworks.com is that it offers an integrated suite for sales, customer support, IT service management, and employee engagement, and you won't believe how much time it saves teams by consolidating everything in one platform. Here's how it works. Freshworks provides modular tools including Freshsales for CRM, Freshdesk for support, Freshservice for IT, and more. Each module is designed to integrate seamlessly, providing a unified view of customer interactions, workflows, and team performance. For example, a growing company can track leads in Freshsales, log support tickets in Freshdesk, and analyze overall customer satisfaction all from a single dashboard. Most people get this wrong. They assume multiple disconnected tools are necessary, but Freshworks reduces friction and improves collaboration. Additional benefits include AI-powered insights, automation of repetitive tasks, and mobile apps for on-the-go management. Users praise the platform's flexibility, intuitive design, and scalability as businesses grow. However, there are considerations. Full feature access requires subscription plans, and implementing multiple modules may take time for teams to adapt. Most people assume integration is automatic. Some setup and training are needed for maximum benefit. In conclusion, Freshworks.com is ideal for small to mid-sized businesses seeking a unified, cloud-based platform to manage sales, support, and internal operations efficiently. It simplifies workflows and enhances team productivity. Subscribe for more honest reviews of management and business software solutions.